I saw the dog and him. Hello viewers, how are you? Welcome to the English Quizly channel, your go-to destination for exciting English grammar quizzes. Today we are going to see how good is your English grammar. Answer these fun questions to find out. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to play more fun quizzes. Alright, let's play the quiz. Then we had lunch under the tree. Can you please get it for me? The teacher asked the students to write a paragraph about their favorite animal. Then they went home and made sandwiches for themselves. My mom made cookies for me. The cat tried to reach the mouse, but it couldn't. I love my family. The bird ate the worm. We are really excited about seeing the movie. Then it fell into the lake. I got it for my birthday. I love riding it. He always wags his tail when he sees people and other dogs. I am really looking forward to spending time with my friends. But they all did well on the test. I have a new book. I'm really excited to read it. We are both really excited about going to the mall. She is very affectionate and loves to cuddle. I love my cat. I am really good at math. I can't wait to do all those things. I love eating her food. I love learning from him. I am so grateful for my friends. I am really excited to finish it. I also love wearing blue clothes. I also love petting their soft fur. We are all really excited about seeing the movie. I am so lucky to have all of them. I am really looking forward to spending time with my dog. I am really good at all those things. I am so grateful for my home. I can't wait to start my college career. I am really passionate about helping people. I am so grateful for all of them. I believe in myself. I am so grateful for all of them. I am so proud of myself. I am so excited to learn from my teachers. I am so lucky to have everything. I am so grateful for all of them. We are going to buy food for us. We are going to hit the ball and catch it. We are going to enjoy the movie. We are going to read them. We are going to have fun. We are going to enjoy each other's company. We are going to enjoy the beach. We are going to enjoy each other's company. We are going to enjoy the school dance. We are going to enjoy the museum. You could get me some milk, bread, and eggs. We could see the new action movie or the new comedy. My parents are proud of me for getting good grades in school and for being involved in extracurricular activities. My cat likes to cuddle and play with string. My favorite subject in school is math. I am planning on going to college to study engineering. I am grateful for my parents and my teachers. I am going to the beach with my family next month. I am grateful for my family and friends. I am proud of getting good grades in school and of being involved in extracurricular activities. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it, share it, and post your marks in the comment section. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any new video.